On a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross for the dearest and best, for a world of lost sinners was slain. So I'll cherish the cross, the old rugged cross, my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the cross, the old rugged cross, and exchange its